Now only God go dey save us for road. Yes, I know why I said so. Do you know why? Some of all this last man, all this traffic management, you understand? Sometimes you will carry motor dey go your own because of say the place where they direct you make you go, you have to go that direction. E get one story wey I wan just tell you briefly. E get one businessman wey carry im own private car dey waka jejejeje dey go for one route because that road no good. So e happen say e no wan put head for that particular road because e don already see one big trailer, one big container wey dey go that route. So e come say make e follow the other route take escape the container. So night traffic people, this last man people come hold the motor. At the end, they come direct am to that direction, that particular place where that man no wan follow. Na that man come put head there. At the end of it, na the container come fall on top of that motor wey the man carry.